ang miming heart. Na heart. Pa-inject ang kuno, dugi oh, kaligui ang dugi, asi. Babat ang dugi.
I'm done eating my french fries.
Hi, can I order for takeout?
What do you want?
I want, do you have double burger? Sa maning doktor. Sa maning doktor nga siya na may nagatiman siya.
How many? How many double?
2. Oh, wow! Imi, is that my order? Nag-switch na lagi ni siya profession. Hey, I want to order burger. Doc, I want to
I'm done
order.
eating with my burger.
Okay, 2 double burgers.
Sarap pa din.
I want to double eat the burger.
A friendly reminder to please check your stuff. Thank you.
Pati niya ilukong na to pikas. Butan na to pikas. Hoy, baliktad mo na.